Okay, so in this video I'll quickly show you how to generate random numbers in C program. Okay, so I have actually created a program where I have generated random numbers, but let's open the program for you. Okay, so what you need is you have to include your standard input output header file, and you also will need to include time.h time header file. Okay, and you may also need standard library.header file. Okay, standard library.h header file. Now to generate random numbers, you have to set the seed for the random numbers, right? So you can use any integer here, but I have just tried to get the current time as the seed for the random number generator. So the random number generator will use the seed value to generate the next random number. Okay, so you can put any integer here, or you can take the current time as your seed value to this random generator function. Okay, so here we are trying to generate 5 random numbers. You see we have started with a for loop. Each time you call this function, the function is called rand, it will generate a random number between 0 and some max value, rand max. Say the rand max is 32,768 or some other max value, you don't need to know. Okay, so it will generate it will generate a random integers within this range starting from 0 to some max value. But if you want to get a random integer, say between 0 and 100, you have to divide that big number or some random number by remainder. So if you take the remainder after dividing by 100, you will get some integer, some random integer between 0 to 99, right? So that's the idea, to generate random numbers between 0 to 99. If you want to generate random numbers between 0 to 49, then you have to divide by 50. Then we are just displaying our random number within our intended range, right? So it will show the random number and the index of the random number. That means if it is the first random number, the second number, random number, or so on. So let's run it and see how it works. So let's compile it. Random. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, it is showing first random number 39, second random number 16, and the fifth random number is 68. So I hope it will be very useful for your next lab session. Thank you so much.